Guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a month. Yes, a month. Which is a long time. Do you know how long a long time is? Let me show you how long. All the way freaking close. There, that's how long a month is, okay? See how freaking long that was? Do you see how freaking long that was? Well, today I was Pokemon going, and I got a few things today. Yes, a few things. On my school, I got my iPhone Nano. I'll just open up the web. Oh, look what I got. Whoa, rare. Oh, see that rare Pokemons? Oh, let me just show you the other one. Oh my god, this one isn't even in the game. I've hacked the game. I'm a YouTube hack. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, this took me 5 hours of walking to get. I'm pretty sure no one has ever got this. I got this. Oh! Okay, that's gonna be the end of my video.